Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission in the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Welcome back to Electrical Car Repair. In today's video guys, we'll show you how to find and locate the airbag module on BMW guys 3 Series generation 2005 to 2013. If you have a BMW 3 Series like that, E90, E91, 92, 93, we'll show you how to locate and find the airbag module. We'll have a different video about replacement, coding and all that stuff, and we'll have more than 200 videos taking the whole car apart. Electrical videos as well, mechanical. So please guys, give a subscribe, give a like, follow us, and if you need help with anything, drop a comment below and we'll try to make a video for you. Now, in order to get to the airbag module, what you have to do, you need to remove the center console. The whole thing will need to come out, and now we will explain why. The reason why firstly we remove that thing is because we're going to paint it. And we'll have a video how to professionally paint this one as well. So as you know, on the back side of the console you have this cover right here with the rear ashtray and the vents as well, the air vents. Now some people say that if you remove this one you'll be able to get to the module, but you can't, and this is because okay, you have this pipe in the way, okay, right here, you can see like that. And it goes over here, slides in on the front, and here is your cup holder as well. So underneath that pipe actually, okay, is where the airbag module is located. Okay, let me show you now. Once you remove the center console out of the vehicle, okay, you can see that's what everything looks like. Now you have this cover, okay, right here. And this cover guys, under that cover is where your BMW airbag module is located. Okay, check it out. As a result, it has only 2 nuts holding it here, a ground wire, and on the front you have 1 bolt. Now the wiring harness is on the side of it, but if you ever need to disconnect one of those or replace it, you will have to disconnect your car battery at least 1 hour before the repair. And when you put it together, okay, you need to make sure that you fix all the fault codes that cause the airbag module to be bad, because otherwise you might need a new one. Always have to follow that direction here, you can see, going forward when you install it. That's very, very important. And we'll have a video about coding and all that stuff. Here you can see this is the handbrake cable going through, this is the handbrake shifter there, this is the trim as well. As you know, for the US version, the battery of the vehicle is located in the trunk. So if you guys, okay, need to remove it, disconnect your battery at least 1 hour before the repair. So thank you for watching guys. Please subscribe, many more videos will come, and again, if you need help with anything, drop a comment, we'll try to make a video for you. So see you next time. Hopefully guys the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.